Welcome back. In this lesson I will explain how text blocks and pictures work in Maxo. Each video can contain up to 3 text blocks. You can use them for property description, extra data such as dimensions, age and local amenities, or any other additional information. Each text block can contain up to 5 lines. The text is automatically centered in the video and is animated as it appears on the screen with many different animation styles available. Each text block in the video has a different animation style, and the selection is made at random. The length of time that a text block in a video is displayed is calculated from the number of lines of text, so shorter text will be on the screen for less time. Pictures are an essential element of every property presentation. You can upload up to 6 images for each project. A new image is uploaded by clicking on an empty picture button. An interface with clipping mask and rotation options then appears. The clipping mask has a fixed aspect ratio of full HD format, meaning its ratio of width and height is fixed in a way that fits the final video format. As you will notice, most photos by the digital camera have different, more square shapes. You can position and scale the clipping mask, or you can rotate the picture if required. The Restore button resets the picture to its original state. Each picture block can contain several elements, which can make the image more appealing or descriptive. Let's start with the callouts. The default callout after the picture upload is a magnifying glass. You can reposition both the pointer and the magnifier by its handles. You can never position the pointer outside of the blue dashed line. Each picture is continuously magnified in the video, and the dashed line represents which part of the picture will always remain visible. The whole picture is moving, and so we automatically change the position of the pointer so that it is always identifying the same part of the image. If placed outside the dashed line, the pointer disappears, preventing you from unwanted errors. You can enter up to 4 short lines of text for this callout. It is a general recommendation to keep this text short and sweet, since it is animated into the picture and there is limited time for the viewer to read it. You can change the callout style with this drop-down menu. The first option is no bubble. The next is an info text style, which is a centered text box. It only has 1 line and you can adjust its vertical position with these small arrows. The next style is info bubble. It is similar to info text but has a pointer. You can position both the pointer and the bubble in the same way as with the magnifier. Another option is 2 info bubbles at once. Please take into consideration that the user should be able to read both text entries in a limited amount of time. The second element in the picture is the pair of text boxes in the bottom right-hand corner of the image. These were originally created for the room name and size, for example, living room, 30 meters squared, but it can be used for any information. The right text box can be removed from the image with this checkbox. The last element of the picture is a real estate agent avatar. Their name, phone number and email address are smoothly animated into the video. You can select the designated avatar here, or you can completely switch the function off. The button below the drop-down menu allows you to change the picture without deleting the existing text and info bubbles. This is very convenient in situations where you have multiple pictures of the room and want to ensure you've chosen the best one for the project. You can change the order of text blocks and pictures by dragging their thumbnails, or delete them entirely with this small red button.